see how much the narrow end of that wedge will bring the door in. Yeah, that works real good. Not real good. It'd be almost perfect. This is an add-on. Normally in a travel trailer, if I remember my Airstream, there's something else that will hold. Oh, well, right here you can't see it. There's a little, it's cut and lured out. And there's a piece that goes on this. I'll show you one from my other travel trailer, my storage one. This goes in the inside of your frame like that. This attaches to the screen door. Now it would be inside here, but I'm just showing you. This would be mounted like this, and this you put on the screen door so that when it comes in, and this is spring loaded, this wheel. So when it comes in, it will hit this. I hope, let me pivot this over some. This roller will hit that hump, spring in, come in, and then spring back out on this side of the hump. You get it? That's off of the other one. But the piece, if I remember right, I do still have the piece that goes on this screen. There are holes in the frame out there where the thing went on. I'm pretty sure I've got that one. But anyway, that's what it is. Instead of using this old door latch, which this works too. But anyway, mark this. I'll cut this off with a saw and then drive it in down there where it was, and then I can use this next sticker part, because as you can see, I think that gap increases from the bottom to the top, so when it gets up here I need a piece about this thick. Now I'm not going to try to fill that whole thing in. That's not necessary. All that is to hold this frame over so that the screen door catches good. The door itself, I think it was okay. I'll have to check it when I get to it. But for now, I'm going to turn this off because I'm going to have to go cut this piece. And this is just kind of a tedious thing, so I'll end this one here.